Hello, thank you so much for taking the time out and watching my video. My name is Tisha. I spoke to one of your associates and advised that I would be sending over a custom video for your company. I came across your company while doing research of plumbers in your area, so I just want to reach out to you and just to provide some tips in regards to your website. So, first to begin with, we'll be going over three different areas. So, it's going to be content, citations, and backlinks. So, the first would be content. Now, content is anything that can be found throughout your website. So, that can be words, keywords, pictures, how the pictures are saved. Um, what's behind the pictures, videos, so anything that's found throughout the website. So I do recommend having at least 1,500 words, and then that way you are able to um, place some really good keywords within the website. Now, when you're using keywords, this is for when people are Googling and they're looking for a certain service, then when they type that in, then it will lead them back over to your website. So the more that you have, the more traffic you will get. The next will be citations. Now, citations is anywhere your business name, phone number, and address can be found. So oftentimes this is going to be found again through Google, Angie's List, Yelp, Better Business Bureau, Facebook. So it could be found in a number of areas. The more that you actually have citations you have, then the better you'll be as far as being found. So when I Googled in plumbers in Vacaville, this is what I found. This first section right here is called a map pack or Google My Business. This is really important to have your business in this area. Oftentimes when people Google a certain service or type of a business, then they'll call the first numbers that they see. So in this case, you are coming up in the map pack, so that is a good thing. The next would be the organic search. So organic search, when I typed in the plumbers in Vacaville, again, showing Yelp first, Angie's List, Yellow Page. So I want to just show you how you're appearing. I found you on the first page and you're number 9. So just taking a look at that, there are a couple other companies that come up before yours. So one would be Bonnie Plumbing, and then the other would be Plumbing Doctor. So we'll take a look and see how their websites are doing in comparisons to yours. So this is what we use this tool called Ahrefs. So it'll show us exactly how your website is doing. So this is showing that you currently have 430 backlinks. Now, backlinks are any links that lead back to your website. So it generates traffic. Again, those can be found through the same avenues online or Angie's List, Yellow Pages, things of that nature. But it will have people go back to the website. So the more you have, the more traffic you'll get. I'm showing that for your website, you're utilizing 50 keywords, and then you have a traffic that's bringing in about $1,000 for you. This is bringing in about 49 people to your website on a monthly basis. Now, taking a look at your keywords that you're currently using. So when people are typing in these type of phrases here, or words, then this is how you're doing. So Vacaville Plumber, you're coming in number 2, Plumber Vacaville. Of course, you're going to have for your domain, same day Vacaville and Plumbing Vacaville. So these are just some of the keywords that you're utilizing. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at Bonnie Plumbing. Now they have over 6,000 backlinks, and they're using about 7,500 keywords. This is bringing in about 4,000 people to their website on a monthly basis, and they're generating about $50,000 in income based on the number of people coming to their websites. For theirs, as far as keywords, this is the keywords that they're utilizing, and this is what's getting people over to the website. Okay. And then the last will be the Plumbing Doctor. So I'm showing that they have about 804 backlinks. They're using about 348 keywords, bringing in about 364 people to their website per month, and they're generating about $6,300 in business or revenue based on the traffic that they have coming over to their website. And the keywords that they're currently using are these current phrases, and I'll show you where they're at. And it looks like they also have some ads as well. Okay, so by utilizing, as you can see, based on how your competitors are doing, they have more backlinks. They also have more keywords. So by utilizing more keywords throughout your website, then you can actually, have more business generated that way. By having more backlinks, as seen with other companies, they have more backlinks, then that also will increase the traffic over to your website. And then bring in more customers for you. So again, I hope that you really enjoyed just some of the tips that were provided and that you're able to implement those. You're welcome to do so on your own. But if you would like to have a more in-depth conversation, I'd be happy to speak with you. My phone number is 916-378-9773. And either way, I would love to hear back from you just so that you can provide feedback in regards to the video. Again, thank you for taking the time out listening to my video, watching my video. I hope you have a good day.